Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel guys. Welcome. It's your girl Chika Oputah, a YouTuber based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Yes. Today is Sunday. We're going to be doing something a little bit different today. Yes, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to cook cabbage sauce. Cabbage sauce, or we like call it vegetable sauce, any kind of sauce. We just go back from church and just want to whip up something different than the usual. So stay tuned. If you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please click the subscribe button there, that red thing. Just click it with the bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. And without further ado, let's go. This is the ingredients we'll be using to make the sauce. And here, after seasoning the chicken, it's now time to fry it. You fry it till it is golden brown. Golden brown, if you know what I mean. This sauce is just one of a kind. It will take whatever side dish you're pairing it with to a whole new level. Oh, just see the lushness of this chicken. Can you see that chicken wing? Can you see the drumstick? Okay, so this is me just frying the chicken, and at this point I am done. In that same pan, you add your groundnut oil, saute with your red onions. This is me grating in the garlic. After that, I'll stir. I added my sachet tomato. Yes, at this point, you add your sachet tomato before the pepper mix, but some people do otherwise. I don't know why. So this is just me basically stirring it till the oil is on the sachet tomato. That's when you know that your tomato is dry. So this is basically me adding my pepper mix, the usual thing you add in our pepper mix, and voila, it is as good as done at this point. And I proceeded to adding in my chicken stock. I stirred till everything is together. Okay, I added my ingredients. Add your spices of choice. This is me basically adding curry, turmeric, minced spice, seasoning cubes, brown pepper, that's Cameroon pepper, soy sauce, and our sauce is coming together, if you know what I mean. Okay, so after that I covered it to allow it to boil to a reasonable extent, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. So just look at those bubbles. Then this is this time you add your carrots, you add your chili pepper, your bell peppers. I just had green and yellow at this point, but if you have red, you have any other color, you can add. You add and stir everything. Then you proceed to add in your chicken. You stir it again. Then this is the star moment. You add your cabbage sauce. Oh boy, this sauce will take your family's taste bud from 0 to 1 million, if you know what I mean. So at this point, our sauce is as good as done. So this is just me just stirring generously for everything to marry each other together. Let there not be any onion, or let there not be any water and oil different. But just take a look. Take a look at this sauce. And you say you don't want to try this, please give it a try and come back and give me the feedback. Okay, thank you guys for watching always. Bye.